Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to save space on the Windows 11 taskbar. To start, you can see what the default taskbar looks like. After that, click on Start, select Settings. Then in Personalization, click on Taskbar. Firstly, in the search section, you can choose the Hide option. You can see how that space is freed up on the taskbar. If you need it, you can just define again which option to use. After this, again in the taskbar, you can disable the desired switches in the taskbar items section. See the space that is freed up on the taskbar. If you need it, you can activate them again. After that, click on Other System Tray Icons. Here you can disable the Hidden Icon menu switch. After this, click on Start, select Settings. Then click on Time and Language, then click on Date and Time. Here you can turn off the switch, show time and date in the system tray. You can check that this space is freed. You can activate the switch whenever you want. After that, right-click on any of the accesses on the taskbar. Click on Unpin from Taskbar to have that space. Click on Start again, click on Settings. Then in Personalization, click on Taskbar. After this, click on Taskbar Behaviors. First of all, in the section, Combine Taskbar buttons and hide labels should be in the value always. Then, if applicable, check that when using multiple displays, taskbar where window is open it's selected. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.